All right. In this video, I'm going to go over the knife tool. It's fairly straightforward. So get into edit mode, and you can use this, the toolbar. You can access the toolbar with shift space as well. Turn on screencast keys. But I just hit K. And then at the bottom here, you can see that there's a bunch of text. And that text gives us additional options. But we can just use it as is right now. Okay. So if we right click after we're done, and then hit enter to confirm, that creates our cut. There's a few other options. We can use our undo, Control Z, undo the last one. If we hit K and then hold shift, it'll snap to the center points of edges, which can be very helpful. Keep that in mind. And then if you really, because it will snap to edges and verts, but if you want to ignore that completely, hold Control. Okay. Hold A to get an angle constraint, and it uses screen space for that. You can change the angle down here with some settings. And hit C to cut through the mesh completely. We'll see what that does. Do that again. Yeah, that went all the way around. Okay. And you can also use X, Y, and Z to constrain to an axis. And then if you want to view the measurements, so it shows us our distance between cuts, and then it'll show us an angle. And that can be very helpful for precision. And then on top of that, the last one is V for X-ray. And that's the knife tool.